Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you a product that's easy to get your hands on, easy to make, and pretty much free. And this is good old-fashioned ice. Just that stuff you make in your ice tray in the freezer. Ice has so many benefits for your skin. So today I'm going to share with you the immediate benefits that ice can have on your skin. The first one I think is pretty obvious, so I'm just going to get out of the way, is it can reduce the appearance of pores on your skin. So obviously the coldness is gonna contract your pores, making them tighter. So as we know, our pores don't open and close, they can loosen and tighten. So if your pores are nice and tight rather than loose, there's less chance of all that dirt getting in there throughout the day, therefore reducing the appearance of blackheads as well, sebum buildup, all that kind of stuff. And it's meant to work great as well for us oily people and kind of help reduce the amount of oil that our skin creates during the day. Second benefit is that if you have irritated spots or acne, it can soothe that. Rubbing an ice cube over irritated acne, painful acne, very red acne is going to help, first of all, soothe your skin instantly. Any itching or pain. It's going to reduce redness as well, so make your acne look a lot less kind of irritated, a lot less obvious as well. And also helps if you get like rosy cheeks. I get like a weird red bit down my unibrow, so when that happens I just apply a bit of ice and it all kind of like smooths away. Next benefit is that it can fix dull looking skin. Rubbing an ice cube on your face boosts the circulation of blood around your face, bringing blood and color to your skin. So it's not going to give you red patches of blood everywhere, but it's going to give your skin a nice even looking complexion and give your face like a natural brightness. The next benefit is this is actually the same for under our eyes as well. So any form of cold under your eye is good for getting rid of all those blood vessels under your eye. Not getting rid of them, but making them less obvious. They're the things that make your under eyes dark and purpley color or even gray and make them look less puffy and just generally make you look a lot more awake and less tired, which I should really be doing at the moment. Bearing in mind the skin under your eyes is thin and delicate, so excessive use of this can be quite irritating, so don't do this every day, only if you've had a long night and need a little bit of help looking more awake. There are so many things you can do with ice cubes, and one of my favorite things is to make green tea ice cubes. So I'll make like a cup of green tea and then freeze them in an ice cube tray. And then I kind of use this as like a toner the next day. So I'll take an ice cube and rub that on my skin, and not only are you getting the effects of ice, so making your pores look smaller, tightening and refreshing your skin, but the green tea is doing wonders for your skin as a toner. So green tea is best known for its antioxidant properties and the stimulating effect of its caffeine, although not high, it has some effect. Green tea also contains polyphenols, I can never pronounce it, I think that's right, but basically they're said to protect against free radicals and all those bad toxins that you don't want in your body. So yeah, you know I love green tea in all my products, so make your own green tea toning ice cubes. It's one of my favorite things to do. Next up, you can make a cheap exfoliator out of these as well, and you can do this by making milk ice cubes. Sounds gross. Why do you want to rub milk on your face? I bet it stinks after, but it's good. Basically, the lactic acid that occurs naturally within cow's milk is going to work as an exfoliator, scrubbing away all those dead skin cells, and the ice aspect for it, again, is going to give you a nice refreshed look. Then obviously wash this away with warm water so that you don't smell like yogurt for the rest of the day. But yes, that is it guys. I hope that was interesting and not weird in any way. Let me know if you guys use ice for any other cosmetic way down below. But that is it from me now guys. I will see you next time.